Hi everyone, and welcome to an exciting update in Advanced Installer. Comprehensive support for Windows Server 2025. Developing installation packages for new desktop applications is often challenging. Ensure your download to application launch conversion rate stays high with a powerful installation solution. With the right installer, you can mitigate compatibility issues, automate server role and feature configurations for effortless setup, and eliminate manual configuration errors, saving users from time-consuming and error-prone processes. Advanced Installer's new features tailored for Windows Server 2025 enable you to save time with predefined launch conditions, access built-in prerequisites instantly, and seamlessly integrate Windows features and server roles. After downloading or upgrading to Advanced Installer 22.3, create or edit your project. Under the Prerequisites and Launch Conditions pages, you'll find predefined support for Windows Server 2025. With Advanced Installer 22.3, you are fully equipped to develop installation packages for Windows Server 2025 with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from Advanced Installer.